Hey y'all, what is up? It is your girl Chènae. I've been MIA for a long time, but I'm finally back with another video. It is fall time, so let's get to it. Starting off as always, taking my MAC paint pot in the color Soft Ochre, and I'm going to place this all over my eyelid. This is going to act as my eyeshadow base to help my colors stick to my lid, to prevent fallout, and to make them colors really pop and look oh so very vibrant. Now going in with Sugar Peel's pressed eyeshadow in color Butter Cupcake, which is one of my favorite yellows, I'm going to go ahead and just start blending this into my crease, and this is going to work as my transitional color. Now I'm taking the color Flame Point, which is a very bright, very pigmented orange. I'm just going to go ahead and just pack that all over my lid. I'm intertwining it with that yellow to make a gradient effect. Then I'm going to go back and just blend those two colors out. And I'm really packing that shadow on there just to build up to the color intensity and payoff that I want. Now here I'm just taking my MAC eyeshadow in color Rice Paper, and I'm just placing that underneath my brow bone, and this is going to act as my brow highlight to give my brows, you know, a little some extra up under there. Now I'm just cleaning away all that extra, making it nice and soft and point and crisp, and I'm just now smoking out my waterline so I can have that gradient smoky effect to really make my eyes just pop out, so you'll be drawn to look into my eyes. Okay. Now right here, I'm going to take the color Paper Doll, the loose pigment eyeshadow from Sugar Peel. I'm just going to blend that into that black to add a little color down there below, like that, like so. Now here, you guys know I love a wing eyeliner. I'm just drawing my wing with my Sigma Wicked Gel Eyeliner. So I'm just making sure I get that as nice and neat as I possibly can. Now I'm going to go back with my NYX Glitter Primer, which I like to call Glitter Glue. I'm getting ready to add some glitter. And y'all, I love this stuff. This stuff is like, I swear, glue for your glitter. It makes your glitter stay in place and your glitter do not fall out. And I'm using the Gunmetal Glitter by NYX. And I'm just packing that on top of my eyeliner, making sure that I work in sections to prevent, you know, as much fallout as I possibly can. Now these lashes are from the Beauty Supply store, the Miss eyelashes. I love them. They're so, you know, wispy and bold and fun and got a lot of drama going on. I just love the way that my eyes look when I rock these. So yes, child. And now I'm just adding a couple of coats of mascara to finish this look on out. Now moving on to my lips, I am taking my ColourPop liquid lipstick in the color Trap. I'm just going to go ahead and just place that all over my lips, making sure that I take my time, because if you rush with liquid lipstick, it can be a little bit messy. So I'm just making sure I take my time with that. And finally, I'm adding the color Platform to the center of my lip, which is one of my favorite lippies, just to make my lips look more ombre. And I just love this nude lipstick. It's very pretty. But voila, you guys, this is the finished look. Perfect for fall time. If you guys like this video, definitely make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. And until next time, y'all know what it is. I will see y'all in my next video. Peace out, y'all. Y'all be easy.